Today I'm at the Petro truck stop at Raphine, Virginia. I'm kind of parked right here next to some other trucks, and you can see ahead is the truck fuel island. And so walking down between the trucks, behind my truck, which is on the left, you can see there's a driveway and then there's a roadway back there, the exit, entrance and exit. And then there's another gas station, fuel stops back behind. And so you can see that they actually have a number of pumps, number of fuel pumps. So probably, I'm guessing, probably between 12 and 16 truck fuel pumps. And you can see on around, that's the front of my truck right there. And then there's more trucks